Meets the bunny. And it's so funny. He's kind of afraid of him. You're not going to believe this. He's afraid of him. Look at him. I get far enough back. There's Patches. I go this way. And he's not quite sure. All my cats seem to get along with him, but this is his first true encounter. He had one more before. This is really cool. Do you like him, babe? He's pretty cool, huh? He had to get his toenails clipped. There's the bunny. Isn't he pretty? He is 10 years old. All his other sisters and brothers passed away when they were 2 and 3. People left him outside. You know, you gotta really take care of the small creatures. They're really the delicate creatures, but they can't be fed garbage. You know, a lot of people feed them potato chips and junk, and you can't do it. You just can't do it. My sister, look at him. He's got all of the... That is so cute. Just get this out of here. Just get it out of here. Come on, get it out of here. I don't want it. Why don't you move this? It's cleaning up where I... Never ever had to buy him anything to get rid of his long teeth. He seems to have done it all by himself on the cage. That's so cute. Babe's going, what is this? What's he doing, babe? What's he doing? Go see him. Go see him. I was trying to... Go see him. Where are you, babe? Or, bunny, go see him. Go say hi to the new kitty. Go say hi to the new kitty. Go on. Doesn't want to. There he is. Go say hi to the new kitty cat. And of course, Magic wants a part of this one too. Go say hi. Nice. I got a lick. Aren't you gonna go say hi? Oh, babe says, I will just roll my way over and just ease my way into the situation. You gotta go. Go on. Go say hi to babe. Say hi to babe. Come on, babe. Say hi to him. Oh, you can do it. Go ahead. Says, I want you so bad. Every time I say hi to something, it hisses at me. You're such a good animal. Go ahead, Patches. Oh, it's alright. It's okay. It's okay, babe. It's okay. I know your Magic's over ringing her bell. It's alright, baby. Wow, this is so cute. This is going to take up all my space on my hard drive. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Don't be a chicken. You too. Come on, Patches. Get over there and see him. Go on. Get over there and see him. Come on. Get over there and see him. Go on. Come on. Get over there and see him. He says, oh, I'll just watch. He's right there. Babe says, I'll watch. Where'd he go? 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 Oh, I see him. Oh, I'm going to go around this way. I see him. Peekaboo. Oh. Come on, Patches. Stand up and give him a kiss. Oh, see. Look at that. Look at that. Go ahead, babe. Touch him again. Go ahead. Touch him again. Come on, my fingers are falling asleep. Look at him. So delicate. Look at that. It's so delicate. babe. Touch him. Oh, touch him, babe. Go ahead. Touch him. Well, you know he's not going to touch you, so you're going to have to touch him. Come on. Well, this is becoming boring. Come on, babe. Touch him. Come on, babe. Come on. Come on, boys. Girls. Patches is a girl. Let's see if I can get some stirred up stuff. Well, ladies and gentlemen of the public and Facebook, I kind of think this is about it. I hope you enjoyed the first encounter. Many more to come. I was really hoping there'd been a little more excitement, but I guess not. Where'd you go, babe? Where'd you go? So, you guys have a nice, safe day. Stay warm. This is not going away. I think we're stuck in this Arctic stuff for a long time. Babe goes, where is he? Okay, have a good day.